What are you doing?
Trying to make a mud marble.
Alright, so Lightning Dragon and I are out here up on Peavine Mountain, which is a big brown mountain just north of Reno. And there's a lot of mountain bike trails out here, and I have been riding mountain bike trails out here since, well, for about 20 years. And for the longest time, the trails out here were what they call bootleg trails. And they were not really sanctioned by Forest Service. This is all National Forest land, and they were not really built to any standards per se. But around about 10 years ago or so, a local group formed. At that point, it was called the Podunks, and the Podunks, the goal was to sort of improve and expand on the trails, mountain bike trails here on Peavine. And at that point I was involved. I was a board member, and actually Lightning Dragon and I came out a number of times. He was really little at the time. There was a couple of times at least he was in a little baby backpack, hiking along the trail, trying to get work done. He's been out a number of times over the years, working as best he can. He's a good worker now. He's down over there with the crew, getting some work done. Anyway, so fast forward now, the group is called the Biggest Little Trail Stewardship Group, and we've expanded the scope to everything in Reno. And so we're doing work on Peavine, and we're doing work on Whites Creek, Evans Creek, and then the new Ballardini Ranch Trail. So today we are on this trail called Crispy Bacon, which connects the bacon strip behind me down to Halo Trail, which goes all the way down to the West Keystone Trailhead. And I think we're doing a little bit of, looks like some raking going on, and then a lot of this desert peach, it gets overgrown and will snag you and scratch your arms all up as you're riding along. So we are gonna go cut some of that. Should be pretty fun. It's kind of a pretty day. I mean, it's good for video because of the soft light, but it's cloudy and it's probably definitely gonna rain. Anyway, thanks for joining us. Alright, that's the day, we're going to call it. We did a bunch of cutting of little shrubs that were in the way, and we cleared some drainage, and it's a pretty overcast day. It's kind of chilly, but real pretty otherwise. And I think it's going to rain pretty soon, so we're going to get down the mountain before it gets super muddy. Thanks for joining us. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. We're going to be doing a bunch of these trail work days with the Biggest Little Trail Stewardship throughout the spring and summer. So if you're in the Reno or Northern Nevada area, you can come with us and join us and help build really cool mountain biking, hiking, and running trails. Thanks for joining us. Bye.